This building has recently been greatly expanded and renovated and then painted everything beautiful blue to give the impression to the homeowner that everything is done to perfection. Nothing is further from the truth. Actually, very few items in the building actually meet current building electrical or plumbing code. Let's look at this electrical cutesy detail here. Some wiring, some conduit is running here that needed to be shimmed here or attached to the siding here like this with this kind of rigidity. Wait for it. This is the second block that needs to be thicker than the first one, and wait for it. There has to be a kink in this plastic conduit, and up top this shimming must be made out of 3 pieces of garbage wood and have this wild curvature to the whole electrical conduit. If anybody can explain it to me why this needs to look like it was done by a 2-year-old, do let me know in the comment section below. Would much appreciate your input. Feel free to laugh, comment, like, subscribe, anything.